MLA ka sau Shillong ba san bor sulai haksi palai ula sampai ba da ki PPE ki sanitizer ki raincoat ban thermometer shakishnang bo per ki bahab akoson si jogu kum ka jada hakaji khun yo pnyang jingpang coronavirus ya ki te ki tiar baro athiet dak bapenlut nakatulop jogu ka bolong riulak tingka.
Based on my locality visit, so what we have seen that most of the poor people, they cannot afford all these materials, and we have come up with the idea, but with my members of the MCIC 19 South Shillong constituency. So we have purchased for the benefit of the people, especially those poor section of the society, BPL family. Today I have distributed to all the Dorbar Snong and the village council to distribute the following materials. We are having hand spray, then we are having hand sanitizer, then mask, then bacteria-free tablets, hand gloves, raincoat, PPE kits, screening kits, machine, and goggles. So, in addition to my previous spending from my MLA salary, so this is the additional. The cost of all the materials are rupees 6 lakhs, and I have paid from my MLA salary.
Hagani kasing nakaliang katana kakoi kakhiaru kalawan man pensai kumno bakipai ba kinla man pen kam ya kita ki PPE.
PPEs, which are a short form of personal protective equipment, don't be provided to the Dorbar Snong or the localities of the various localities. But we should inform you that PPEs are actually not meant for you. This can be used only on dire cases when there is a need. If let's say there's some, God forbid, if there's some suspected or positive case in some area, and in fact, if your Dorbar Snong has to intervene in the suspected case in getting their information or in providing the materials, whatever might be the case, that will be done in consultation with the health department. Whenever a case has emerged in any locality, you have to inform the health department, and accordingly the people and the staff from health department will come and assist you in various ways. Perhaps it could be used, it could be kept as a contingency, which might be utilized by your ASHAs or your urban ASHAs, because they are the frontline workers of the health department who will be collaborating with all these things. ASHAs have been given various kinds of training, and even on COVID also they have given a kind of a training for understanding and handling these cases. So they would be in the best position to handle these things. So for now, PPEs you can keep this as a contingency. It's not really required. Even not for the ASHAs also who are dealing. Only if you are dealing directly with a suspected or confirmed cases of COVID-19. And plus, I should tell you, PPEs are only one-time use. When you put on your PPEs, after you have done all your work, it has to be taken off, donning and doffing off of PPEs. It has to be done in a particular way. Even the discard also, it has to be done in a proper way. So it cannot be done by anybody. It should be a person who has been trained on it. However, it is something which is the contingency for preparing for some kind of eventuality.